Eastern Florida State College's welding program has been around for several years. The program is a one-year program that starts in January and ends in December, and is about 2 months off during the summer that they get. The classes start at 7:15 in the morning and they go till 3:30 in the afternoon, Monday through Thursday. It's a very hands-on program, obviously, it's welding. Upon completion, they can get certified for several different types of welding, so they can already be certified when they're going out there to look for a job. The welding program is a very inexpensive program. It's going to cost you just under $8 grand for the entire program, and that's including tools, welding gear, books, everything that you need. That's going to be your rate for the whole year. You weigh that with what you're going to make getting out in the field, it's a no-brainer. Our welding program allows up to 20 people per class, so you're getting that one-on-one, you're getting that hands-on learning with somebody who is actually knowledgeable in the field.